All right, well, more upgrades. If you've been following the series, it's the 2024 Honda Talon Live Valve Cooler Edition. Yep. Turns out my Roto mold cooler, made by a company that doesn't make Roto molds anymore, because I think they might have got a cease and desist letter. It fits in here, and it actually looks pretty good due to the fact that there is a silver motif in this color scheme. The silvery gray, shock silvery gray, cooler silvery gray. So I'm thinking that's gonna work. Like, just got these old straps. I haven't trimmed them out to length yet, but they're not even ratchets. They just kind of grip, but like. So one of the things I got to work on, that's not gonna work. So I'll have to get rid of them, because that is not required. And then we'll see. I do have this thing's got a fancy little gravity light. I took the battery out of it. I'm pretty sure I took the battery out. This may be more than I can handle, and that may be more than I can handle. Well, I just have to see. I could maybe put some rags in there. I mean, that's the real deal super cooler there. But I mean, if I'm not going to camp, that might be nice. You know, I can snacks. There you go, snacks. And there's still room. You know, it doesn't fill the whole bed, so I got room. I probably maybe have to get an enclosure so that my shit don't fly out. But I don't know. I just dug that thing out to see if it fit, and it's fitting, and it's looking pretty good in my opinion. I mean, my goal is not to try to blue everything out on this whole little project here. I'm going to just kind of try to go with the flow. There's going to be a little bit of red in it. There's going to be some gray. There's going to be a lot of black going on it. But yeah, it worked out with them, with the way that design is, those straps. I mean, that thing is... I saw someone did a deal where, you know, those, the foot pads you get that are like modular, they stuck one of them under, they custom cut one. I think I got some of that laying around, and they said it helps, you know, that little bit of rock you get there, it helps with that. And then it also gives you a little insulation under your cooler, but because your motor's right there. So I may look into doing that. I don't even know if I have this thing centered up completely correctly. Looks like I might be a little bit too far that way, but you know, whatever. These straps are off my old truck's cargo rack. I don't even know. Can I bounce my phone? Oh, this is so risky. I can't do it. There we go. I don't know if that'll stay. If that system will stay tight. If I got ratchet straps, it was like, man, black ratchet straps with silver. Like, Jesus, is this thing made for this? Like, yeah, this company I think is still in business, but they don't make coolers, because I literally think they got, yeah. Please don't copy us anymore. I think, because like, if you paid for it's a Roto mold. You pay for the tooling. Why would you stop? And they don't make them anymore. I got a deal on that thing too. That's a keep your stuff cold for 1,000 years kind of cooler. So whatever. So far, all we got is an oh shit handle and oh shit red and a couple of lame mirrors. That's the extent of the upgrades so far. Got some stuff ordered up. So, good times. I think it's okay. I think that's okay. I think that's going to work just fine. I mean, I could put something there, I guess, if I wanted to. A little piece of that foam. I could tie off here, too, if I needed to, but it seems to be working pretty good. Just trying to get all the angles for in case someone wants to see. All right, stay safe.